Hi, everybody. I want to talk about some tips and tricks in Word. Um, the first thing I'm going to talk about is sorting data in tables, okay? So let's say you have a table like this with name, address, phone number, and you have these names. And you want to sort the data in this table and make it sorted by name, okay? So the way to do that is you position the cursor in the column of the table to be sorted, and from the Layout tab, click on Sort. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click in right here, and I'm going to go to Layout, and I'm going to go to Sort, and I want to sort by name. Yes, I want to sort by name. I had to click in there, and then I can select ascending or descending, okay? Um, and so I'm just going to go OK. And bingo, see? Allen comes before Barry, comes before Smith. All right? So it's just like table 2. So that's how you sort in a table, okay? You have to make sure you click in the cursors in the column of the table you want to sort, okay? Uh, Next thing I want to show you is doing calculations in a table, all right? So although you can insert an Excel spreadsheet in a Word document, you may at times have simple calculations to make in a Word document. So how do you do that? So here I have a table, and let's say I have these account numbers, and now I have to create a total over here. And again, here are all the steps. Create your table with the numeric information. In the cells that will contain results of a calculation, position the cursor in the cell, click on Layout tab, select Formula in the data group, select an appropriate number for the formula box, select the proper numeric format for the result from the drop-down list, and press OK or press the Enter key. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So I'm going to click right in here, okay, and I am going to go to the Layout tab over here. See, Table Tools, Design, Layout. I'm going to be on the Layout tab. I'm going to click on the Formula function, and voila, it comes up with a formula, sum left. Now, I could use that, except that I have an account number, and I don't want, and these are dollar amounts, and I don't want to add my account number. So I will have to put in the formula myself. Now, what you have to do is, if this is cell A1, this is cell A2, this is cell B1, this is cell B2, C1, C2, D1, D2, and so on. So I'm going to click in here, and I'm going to change this to cell B2, all right? And I'm going to put a colon for the range, B2 to D2. This is D2, right? So I'm going to put D2, and that's the formula. And now for the number format, I can click on this drop down. I can just select commas with the decimal points, or I can select dollar sign with the commas and the numbers. Okay, so let me select this format. I mean, and then I'm gonna go OK, and bingo, here is the total, 38,755. How cool is that? Now, if I want the same thing over here, I'm going to click in this cell, and I'm going to go to formulas, and uh, it's saying sum above, but I don't want it to sum above. I want it to sum these cells over here. So I am going to um, click in here, and type in cell B3 and then colon, and this will be cell D3 because this is column D, D3, so D3, okay. And then in the number format, I can just go $ with commas and go OK, and voila, I've got my totals. How nice. Now what if I wanted a total over here? Okay, I'm going to click in this cell and I'm going to go to formula and sum above, except for the fact that I have fall semester in the title, so I can't use that. So I want to just sum the cells. So this is cell B2 and colon B3. All right, because this is B2 and B3. Um, so that's the range. And essentially what I'm going to do is select the number format, and I will select this and I'll click on OK, and voila, I have got the dollar amount over here. Isn't that nice? 56,167. Same way, if I want this over here with the dollar signs, I can go to formula, and instead of sum above, again, I'm going to put the cell references. So this is C2 colon C3. That's the range, okay? And the number format, I'm again going to select $, and go OK. Ta-da! And see, now I've got the total here. Same way for summer. All right, I can go formula. This will be D3, D2 colon D3. All right, and number format, again, I will make it with the $, and I'll go OK, and that'll be 7,500. And now I want the total of this, so I'm going to go formula, sum above, and I'm going to go E2 to E3, E2 colon E3. And for the number format, again, I'm going to select the $. I'm going to go OK. Ta-da! 101, 857. Aha! See how cool that is? So you can do all kinds of calculations. Now, if I want to do this, I can even do max, mins, and functions. So what I'm going to do is I will simply delete this, and I'll just delete it. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to go to the function, and now this time I want the max function. So I'm just going to go to my base function and see all the functions that are available: absolute, and average, count, define. So there are quite a few functions available. I can do the min function. So I'm going to go to the max function, and so it puts the max function, but since I had this ahead of it, I'm going to delete that. I do want to leave my equal sign because all formulas begin with an equal sign. And now I want to say max. So max of this cell colon this cell. So this is B2. So I'm going to click in here. I'm going to say B2 colon C2 D2. So we'll say D2. All right. And then number format, I will make it again $, uh, and I'll go OK, and voila. See, I've got my max, and I can do the rest just like that. Isn't that awesome? Um, and so I thought I'd share that with you. Thank you.